Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and today I will be teaching you how to see remove friends on Snapchat. So let's begin right away. The very first step is to make sure that your Snapchat app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your Snapchat app. Once you're done, you just simply open your Snapchat app and then you should do these things. The first one is to look for that person. So you may either search for their handle or their name right here. So just simply click on the search bar, or you may also go to your chat section and look for that person and if you have message with them. So once you have searched or looked them on their chat section, what you're going to do is to look in their profile. So, for example, if you go to the chat section, just simply click on their profile, and then to know that you are still friends, you should be able to see this number right here. But if you have been removed as a friend, you may not be able to see this number right here. So let's say, for example, you go to the search section and then you search for the person that you want. So you just search for them and then click on their profile, and you should be able to see this number right here, which indicates that you are still friends. However, so let's just say, for example, this person has removed me as their friend, I may not be able to see that number on their profile. So just simply go to that profile. Okay, you can also go here on the plus icon and then look for the person that you want. And then as you can see, there is no number right here, which indicates that you are still not friends or you have been removed as friend. So let's say, for example, that you cannot remember their name or their handle like this one. You just simply go to this section right here. So you just go to the plus symbol right here, and then you may be able to see the list of person right here. So you may search for them easily compared to um, searching for their name which you've forgotten. And then you may also click on all contacts if you want to, so that it will make you find them easier. So that's it. That's how you can see remove friends on Snapchat. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.